What if the secret to true happiness isn't found in the noise and rush of our daily lives, but in a journey to the depths of our being? Join us to unveil this secret. Meet Julian Mantle, a high-flying lawyer who seemed to have it all: success, wealth, prestige. Yet beneath the surface lay an unspoken void, an emptiness no fortune could fill. Have you ever felt like success doesn't equate to happiness? In a moment that shook his world, Julian faced his mortality, sparking an awakening. Choosing transformation over stagnation, he sold his Ferrari, his symbols of success, and embarked on a journey to the mystical lands of India, seeking the ancient wisdom of living a life of purpose and peace. In the tranquil embrace of the Himalayas, Julian met the sages of Savannah, guardians of ancient wisdom that promised a life of fulfillment beyond the material. Here, he learned the art of balancing mind, body, and soul, embracing practices that nurture inner peace and purpose. These teachings, profound yet simple, offered a blueprint for a life rich in joy, meaning, and deep satisfaction, revealing secrets long forgotten by the Western world. What does true fulfillment look like to you? Julian embraced the sages' rituals, each a step toward profound self-discovery and harmony. Rising with the sun, he learned the silence of dawn brings clarity. Through solitude, he found strength, and in journaling, he discovered his voice. These rituals, once ancient secrets, now illuminated his path, transforming his everyday into a dance of deliberate joy and simplicity. As he practiced, Julian's life blossomed, reflecting the profound changes within, a testament to the power of consistent, mindful actions. How can small changes bring significant impact to our lives? Transformed, Julian returned, his aura of peace undeniable. No longer chasing time, he lived each moment fully. His transformation inspired those around him, sparking curiosity and desire for change. Julian's journey became an example, guiding others to seek their own paths to fulfillment. In our fast-paced digital age, Julian's story resonates more than ever, offering an alternative way of being and lifestyle to those caught in the relentless pursuit of success. His teachings, ancient yet timeless, provide a roadmap for anyone seeking to reclaim their sense of peace, purpose, and joy in a world that often forgets the value of being over having, of living deeply over merely existing. As we close this journey with Julian, we invite you to pause and reflect on your path. What aspects of your life yearn for transformation? Embrace the wisdom of simplicity, balance, and joy, and embark on your own quest to live, not just exist, to find, not just seek.